Here we have to calculate the number of electrons which flow through the wire, for which we are using Q is equal to Ne and Q is equal to IT. And Ne is equal to IT. N is the number of electrons and E is the charge on one electron, 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. So it's equal to I into, here time should be converted into seconds, 2 hours convert into seconds, and just calculate N and you get the answer. Hope it's clear. Here we have to calculate the quantity of electricity in coulombs needed to reduce 1 mole of dichromate ion. So let us compare dichromate ion and electrons in the given equation. You can see the balancing coefficients. 1 mole of dichromate is to 6 moles of electrons. So here the question is 1 mole of dichromate. So we get N is equal to 6. Number of moles of electrons required is 6. So N is equal to 6, Q is equal to NF. We are using the formula Q is equal to NF. So it is 6F, which is 6 Faraday. That is 6 into 96,500 coulombs. And you get the answer. You have to practice these two questions. These are repeated board questions for 2 marks.